Hello friends, today we're taking you on a journey to one of Europe's most beautiful countries. A land often called the most hedonistic in Europe, where youth-preserving injections are a topic of conversation, and whose natural beauty is unparalleled. Yes, we are traveling to the beautiful country of Ireland. In today's video, we will tell you about the people and their way of life. This is a small country, but the number of tourists who visit is more than its total population. We'll discuss the cost of education, the jobs available, and many other facts that you may have never heard before. This video is going to be very interesting, so be sure to watch until the very end. Let's begin our grand journey to Ireland. The official name of this country is the Republic of Ireland. It has a population of about 5 million people, which ranks it 125th in the world by population. In terms of area, it spans 84,000 square kilometers, making it the 20th largest country by size. Ireland is an island nation located in Western Europe. Its name is derived from two words, Ir, from the goddess Eriu, and land, which means land of the goddess. It is a country surrounded by the sea, with the Celtic Sea and the Atlantic Ocean to the south, and Northern Ireland to the north. Its only land border is with Northern Ireland, which is a part of the United Kingdom. Here, you'll hear people speaking English with a variety of accents. It is said that there are about 160 different accents in Ireland. Surprisingly, it is a country where more people work abroad than at home. But those who stay live a peaceful life. The official language of Ireland is Irish Gaelic, but less than 2% of the population speaks it fluently. English is the most common language spoken by everyone here. The capital of Ireland is Dublin, a city considered one of the most beautiful in the world. People here are known for their love of alcohol, ranking among the top in the world for drinking. However, they also take great care of their health. You'll find some of the fittest people in the world in Ireland, as everyone exercises and keeps themselves in shape. The Irish are also known for their creativity and innovation. The submarine you see in the oceans today was invented by an Irish scientist named John Philip Holland in 1914. And who doesn't know about the Titanic? The ship that was claimed to be unsinkable was also built in Ireland. On April 15, 1912, it sank on its very first voyage, and its wreckage remains at the bottom of the sea to this day. When it comes to food and drink, the Irish love their tea. They believe that tea has no effect on you as long as you don't add sugar. Interestingly, Ireland has the highest number of people with red hair in the entire world. Rain is very common in this country. It's said that even if the sun is shining when you leave home, you should always carry an umbrella, as the weather can change in a flash. The frequent rain is a big reason why the country is so green. Dublin has a population of about 1.2 million people. In this city, you'll see more people reading books and literature than anywhere else, which is why it has been named a UNESCO City of Literature. It is a very beautiful city with a river running through it, which adds to its charm. This city is also the country's economic hub. Ireland has a GDP of $533 billion, and you'll be surprised to know the annual income of its people. The average person earns about $104,000 per year, which makes them the third richest people in the world by annual income. Ireland's economy is primarily based on pharmaceutical companies, computer hardware and software, food products, and medical devices. The tourism industry also provides a huge boost to the country's economy. You can gauge the beauty of this country by the fact that with a population of only 5 million, it receives 9 million tourists every year. Ireland is a country of beautiful and liberal people. It gained independence from the United Kingdom on December 6, 1921. On January 6, Ireland celebrates Epiphany Day. This is the day when they believe Mary presented Jesus to the people, and Jesus testified to the oneness of God and that he was a servant of God. About 78% of the population is Roman Catholic, 9.8% have no religion, and 1.3% are Orthodox. About 1.3% of the population is Muslim. The climate in this country is mostly cold. For those who wish to marry Irish women, you should know that the concept of a nuclear family is very different here. The roles of a father or mother can be ambiguous. Men and women do their own housework, and it's uncommon to have domestic helpers. The number of women is higher than the number of men here. The average life expectancy of people here is 82 years, which is a testament to the clean air, healthy lifestyle, and good food. The currency of Ireland is the euro. The literacy rate in the country is 99.8%, which means everyone is educated. For those who want to study, this is an excellent choice. This country has some of the world's best universities, and many offer scholarships. Famous universities include the University of Galway, University College Dublin, and Technological University Dublin. The tuition fees for universities range from €9,000 to €15,000 per year. Job opportunities are also abundant because many locals have left to work in other European countries, creating a labor shortage. There is a great need for chefs, nurses, and IT professionals. Ireland is also home to about 30 small islands. On one of these islands, only 2 people live. The total population on all these islands is about 3,000. The Irish government has started a program where you can get an old house built before 1993 on one of these islands for free. If you move there with your family, the government will also give you €70,000 to €90,000 to settle there. There are some conditions, like you must live there for at least 5 years, but you can live a very peaceful life. Ireland is a welfare state where the people are fully cared for. The Irish are very cheerful people, and making jokes is a part of their nature. You could call Ireland the Feislabad of Europe, in terms of its humorous culture. I'll tell you something very surprising: this country even provides visas to religious groups and preachers. This means you can apply for a visa with the purpose of preaching Islam or teaching the Quran. Even Saudi Arabia and the UAE do not allow this, but Ireland does. You've all heard of the White House, the home of the American president. The person who designed it was also from Ireland. Now, let's show you what makes this country so special that it attracts more tourists than its own population. A major reason is the people, who treat you with great respect. You'll often hear "thank you" and "sorry" here. The head offices of major IT companies like Google, Facebook, and Twitter are also located in Ireland. The city is so clean that you won't find any trash. The River Liffey also flows through the city. In the evenings, you'll see many people walking along the riverbank. It is a tourist-friendly country. In the city, there is a very beautiful museum called the Epic Irish Immigration Museum. It's a modern museum, and the interior is a sight to behold. For book lovers, the Book of Kells is a must-visit. Dublin's nightlife is also a unique experience. Other famous spots include Dublin Castle and the Famine Memorial. Beyond Dublin, other cities are also very beautiful. The city of Belfast has a Titanic museum. It's a good idea to book tickets in advance, as you may not get one on the spot. The museum is beautiful, and you might not want to leave once you're inside. Other cities like Cork, located between Green Mountains, and Galway, situated on the coast, are also worth visiting. The beaches here are stunning. When you visit Cork, be sure to visit the nearby town of Cove. It is a beautiful historical town. So, friends, whenever you plan a trip to Europe, consider Ireland. This was our informative and interesting video. How did you like it? Please let us know in the comments. And for new viewers, please subscribe and like our channel.